Hello and welcome back to Nikila TV. I'm Nikila, of course.
Bus, club, another club, another club, another club, plane, next place, no sleep.
Zara doesn't allow you to try on their items inside their stores, or at least my location doesn't. Because of COVID, the pandemic and everything, I'm surprised though. I feel like it's been that way for like months now, and I'm surprised they haven't open back up their fitting rooms. But hey, to each their own. I'm not complaining. We do have a little bit of Zara, and I have a little bit of Forever 21 as well. I'm now realizing that they didn't put their logo on their bag. This is just a brown paper bag. Come on now, Zara. Step up your game, honey. So each item will be given a rate between 1 to 10. 10 being I love it. Anything below a 5, I'm returning, because that's the whole point of this haul. The whole reason I went on this mini haul is to do a content shoot. So, let's see. Oh my God. This is so cute. I love this. I'm loving the sleeves. The length of this is just amazing. Oh my God, it's so cute. Like, it has a little bow tie in the front, which you can pretty much tie it however you'd like. But oh my God, this is just so, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Like, yes. Yes, Zara. Okay, this is a 10 out of 10. Hands down, 10 out of 10. There's actually a zipper on this side. I just cannot figure out for the life of me how to zip it up. It might be jammed, so I don't know. I'm loving this. It's so cute. Okay, I have to take it off. Like, the color, everything, it's magnifique. Like, okay, so I don't not like it. I'm just very, like, bored, I guess. It's not intended to do more than it's supposed to do. This is my intelligent fashion expertise opinion. Let's see. That's how you really know if something's cute, if you compare the price, like how much you bought it for to the actual purchase. Okay, think of a number in your head right now. Think of a number in your head. How much do you think this would be worth, right? Same, exactly. I think you said maybe around like $12 or so. Like, it's Zara, so maybe the price is maybe like a 15, maybe 17, because I feel like they're really keen with their 17s. Yeah, this is $20. I just feel like I could have gone to Ross. Am I gonna keep it? I don't know. So therefore I rate it a 7.58. I would say 8 because I do like the top. I'm just being cheap, but it's super cute. I like it. That's it. I don't know, whatever. You can already tell I like it. First of all, first and foremost, the girls, there's no support right here. There's no support. Like, there's nothing inserted in this area, and they look good. Like, the type of clasp that they use is what makes it just kind of like naturally. I feel like it'd be really, really nice if it was the color of my skin tone. However, I couldn't wear it if it's the color of my skin tone because I'd walk out looking naked. I just wish it was a little less tight on the arms and maybe just a tad bit longer. I think this one will be cheaper than the last one. Let me know your guesses for the brown long sleeve in the comments as far as the price. Also, let's just get a synopsis of prices that you guys think things are worth, because I don't know if I'm just like undervaluing things or if things are actually worth this price. Let me know what you think the price is for like your favorite item below. Yeah, this one was also 20 bucks. In between the last two, if I had to keep one of them for 20 bucks, so I wouldn't keep two of these, like two of these for 40, that makes no sense. I would say the last one, because the color is just there, even though my girls do look nice in this. But I'm happy with it. This is cute. I like it. My mind's going back and forth. My mind's going from, it's actually kind of cute, you know, to, is it though? I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be like that type of like, I feel like, first of all, I feel like a top should not make me this conflicted, but I don't know where I'm going wearing this. Like, I know where I could go, but like, do I really want to go there wearing that? You know what I'm saying? I'm giving it a 4.9 because I feel like that score is just as confusing, just as ambiguous as how I feel about this top. It's a little bit better scrunched up. I don't know. know. I don't know how to feel about this at all. My chest looks nice, like from the side. Okay, I'm just gonna take it off. I'm just gonna go. I feel like it's really simple, but it's boring. And I don't really want boring. I don't want it. I just need accessories. And I feel like with the right pants, it would definitely do it justice because these pants are no. I don't know, that last one just really threw me off. I don't hate it, but I'm not excited about it. And like when I put on clothes, I wanna be excited about it. I'm giving it a 5 out of 10. It didn't do anything wrong, but it also didn't do anything right either. That's how I feel about this top. I've never seen a spandex set from Zara, and I like this. 10 out of 10. It's scoping out the gains. You don't feel like a skinny mini in this. And the color is super cute. Last but not least, we have these shorts. Let's go try them on. Okay, so I like these. However, they're tight. They're super tight. I can't wear them out in public, but I love the way it's cut. There's no breathing room on my crotch whatsoever. All right, y'all, that's all I have for you for this mini Zara Forever 21 haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me as much as I loved doing it. I actually really, really enjoyed this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, I guess. Bye.